So the next thing to try is just changing the title slightly. So I've changed mine to Mr. Rayner's website. I've gone on File, Save, and then on the browser when you refresh you'll see the change, so mine now says Mr. Rayner's website at the top instead of my own website. But there's nothing else here because I've got this black background, so even though I've got some writing I've put in my site, it's not showing up until I can change the colour of the background. So we're going to learn a little bit about that next. So coming back onto here again, here we go. So colours, as far as a computer is concerned, are binary numbers. So they're made out of red, green and blue. So in this example I've got 8 ones, then 8 zeros, then 8 zeros, and that means red as far as the computer is concerned. But it's not much use for us reading it like that, is it? So if we convert that to decimal it would look like this: 25500. And you sometimes see this in things like Photoshop. But in terms of websites we have to use something called a hexadecimal. You don't need to worry about it too much, but it's a slightly different number system where instead of numbers 10, 11, 12 through to 15 it uses letters A, B, C, D, E, F. So the letter F is like a code for the number 15. And again we split it into red, green and blue. We're allowed 2 digits for each colour. So to get the most red I can, if I put FF, that means 15 and then another 15. So that's the most red I can get using hexadecimal. So if I go back onto my code here, so where it says body BG is background colour equals, in there I'm going to put FF0000, and the computer just knows to read that as red, then green, then blue. Okay, so I'm going to save that and come back onto my browser and refresh the page, and you can see I've now, well, it's kind of a reddy orangey colour, isn't it? And now the text is showing up. So that shows you that the colours are working. So if you can have a go at that, see if you can get the same, a red background using FF0000.